The REOLINK RLC-820A Security Camera offers exceptional 4K ultra-high-definition video quality, ensuring that every detail around your home or business is captured with clarity. Equipped with advanced human and vehicle detection technology, this camera minimizes false alarms and focuses on real threats, providing peace of mind with its precise monitoring capabilities. The camera's Power over Ethernet setup simplifies the installation process by using a single cable for both power and data transmission, making it a convenient plug-and-play option. With multiple recording options, the RLC-820A supports continuous recording and motion-triggered events, allowing you to choose the best fit for your security needs. Real-time motion alerts and notifications are seamlessly integrated, keeping you informed and connected through the REOLINK app or client, no matter where you are. Designed for outdoor use, this dome camera combines robust construction with night vision capabilities, ensuring reliable performance in various environmental conditions.